my channel from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I'm back with another Cricut tutorial. Today I'm just going to show you something really easy, and it's how to get any font that you want into your Cricut. So, go to your internet browser and go to dafont.com. I have it saved as one of my little things. But you can see the name here. It's dafont.com. You have all of this. This is just recently added here. But you can pick whatever your heart desires. It has different holiday fonts over here. Y'all know I love my cursive ones. Let's see. Let's see if I can find a thick font. Basic script, dingbats. Let's see. There's just all kinds of stuff that you could pick from. Let's just click on something. Let's go with decorative. So you click decorative, you have all of these different ones. Of course, they're going to actually be decorative letters. This looks really cool. Magazine letter. Actually looks like cut out letters. Patchwork, stitchlings, looks like stitched letters. Flower girl. Some of these are easier if you're using like vinyl or something like that. That would be like this. There's no way I would cut that and try to piece it together for scrapbooking. But if you was using the markers with your Cricut to let it write for you, that could be cool. But there's no way I would do that. So I just try to keep things like that in mind. What you're going to be using it for. I like my newspaper typewriter fonts. I use it a lot. But you can see there's all kinds. You got darker, you know. These has got the little boxes around them. All of that stuff. So, let me just show you. Here's a Harry Potter one. You could cut out Harry Potter letters or whatever if you had that. So, I'm just going to pick one and show you guys how to get it into your Cricut. So, let's just go with this one. Very popular. So, you're going to hit download here. All of these are free. It will not ask you for information or anything like that. It shows that it's downloaded. So I'm going to close this out now. I'm going to go to where it sent it to. Well, it's not that. Mine's in this folder. Okay, so we have my download folder. So here it is. You're going to hit right click, extract all. And then it's going to extract it. Oh, that's not it. Just kidding. It's right here. So you're going to click this and it'll show you. Sometimes it'll say different stuff, but like this is a true type font file. Sometimes it'll have multiple files, so you want to click the true type. And then highlight it, right click, and install. Or you can double click it and open it up. It'll show you what it looks like, and you can hit install here. You can print if you was like creating a binder with all of your letters and what they look like, if you wanted to do that. So very popular, has now been installed. So then pretty much you're going to go to your Cricut, and you want to make sure while you're doing this and installing fonts that your Cricut program is closed. So, once you get it open, I'm click on Canvas. And I'm going to click on text right here. and mine's going slow. It's about overloaded. So I'm going to move this up here so y'all can see it. But, so then you click on your text thing. You write out whatever you want to write out. Let's see. It might be different if you use capital. So let's make one letter capital. Whoops. Sorry for shaking it. Okay, so now you have your word, and then you're going to click up here on font. And this right here shows you all the ones that's on your Cricut available. These ones are access the subscriber if it has the little A beside it, but you have a bunch that are free to use without paying. But the way I'm showing you, they're all free. So click on System, the little tab right here, and it's going to show you all the ones that you have. So that one we just installed is called Very Popular, I think. Yeah, okay. So you can see here, that's the one that we downloaded, which that's actually kind of cute. It's kind of plain on the lowercase, but let's do it all capitals. Look how cute. Okay, so then pretty much you have your word, and I'm going to change the color just because. Okay, so that's how you get a font in from start to finish. So I will link dafont.com below in the description box. I hope this helps. Leave me a comment and let me know. And until next time, bye y'all.